This is the video announcement for the week of April 1st through the 7th. We are only about a month away from the end of school, so it's very important that you stay caught up with the due dates. The due dates are set there for your own protection so that you don't get behind and so that you can complete successfully the assignments and the course. So Access modules. Access is one of the most important pieces of software or any database that a company may use. Many companies are using Access, although there are others such as DBase 4 and some even that are for the Mac. Be sure that you do not blow off this unit because you don't have access. Find access or a way to use it. Borrow someone's computer if it's not on yours. Purchase it. You can purchase the whole program for $70 a year, or you can come to the campus because we do have it on the labs on campus. So this week we'll be working with Module 1, databases and database objects. So what is a database? Well, it's used to manage information. We are in a world now that's constantly filled with data that we receive. And that data is considered raw data until it's organized into some sort of useful information, usually in the way of reports for a business, so that they can make business decisions based on the data. As we design a database, we think about what we want to get out of it. So we ask questions. Usually a team of people that will be using the database, either creating it or getting those reports, will meet together and brainstorm the questions, what they want to get out of that database, such as which employees were hired before August 1st, 1989, or which employees live in a certain region or country, maybe which ones are in a certain department. We don't realize it, but we encounter databases every day in most cases. Many of our fast food restaurants, including Taco Bell, use Access to run their cash registers. So databases are there. We just may not be aware of it. So in Chapter 1 or Module 1, this is the basics of database. Here's an explanation of what you'll be doing. Again, just kind of tells you what a database is, how it's going to be used, and then the objectives of what you will learn in this module. This is what you are expected to be able to do by the end of the module. So the learning plan is to do the same thing, read the chapter, the ebook, do the training, including watching the videos and the apply, and then do Project 1. Project 1 should be done by Thursday. You'll get feedback from Cengage in the way of a report and in the way of a video from me. I usually give the feedback the very next day after you have completed. I always look the next morning or afternoon to see who's done the project the day before and give you video feedback on how to make corrections. Use that to make corrections to improve your grade, and then move on to Project 2, which is kind of like a quiz for the chapter. Here's where you access to read. Here's where you access the training that you should complete the apply part with 100%. Here's where you access Project 1, and then the next one would be Project 2. Let's look at Project 1. Project 1 includes instructions, a start file, and a support file that is a spreadsheet. And here's Access. I like to enlarge this pane a little bit so I can see everything a little bit better. So here are your instructions, and here's the Access database. I will do another video that shows you a little bit of getting started with the instructions. I hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.